Yo, it's Monday. Good morning. The only excitement for today is it's all fifth graders today. I think I only have 3 classes. It's gonna be super chill, and basically my work week ends on Wednesday this week. Yeah, so it's exciting. Let's go. Little cat hiding. Hello. I think it has a bell. Okay, bye. Yo, I don't know why, but it's really cold right now. It's not even negative. I think it's the wind. Yo, so I just got home. Temptation is always strong because I went to the grocery right in front of my house to buy some tofu to put in my nabe tonight. I got tofu, right? And then I was like, I want some meat though. So I got sausages. But unfortunately, that wasn't all. I saw a cream-kan, so I bought it. Dorayaki, pancake, red bean inside that Doraemon likes. And this one, which I don't know how to read, I'm gonna try to figure out first. So I guess this is the kanji for kuri or chestnut. When I typed it in Google, it said chestnut abundance. Chestnut abundance. Made some protein because I will go to training to kickboxing today because I didn't go at all last week except for like the 1st of February. That's no bueno. It's not gonna be worth it for what I pay. By the way, I don't remember if I mentioned it, but I basically paid like about 8,000 yen. I think it's like 8,800 yen. Yeah, probably some tax. But around $80 for per month at the kickboxing place. There are cheaper options. Like if you are a female, I believe it's 7,000 yen, maybe 6. I can't remember, but it's a little bit cheaper for women. And then there's other options like a ticket basis. Basically you have like, let's say you purchase 4 sessions, so you can use it 4 times in that month. And then I think it's a little bit more expensive if you're actually like training to fight. I think it's actually like $100 ish per month. It didn't completely mix. That would be a waste of protein. Need all the protes, bro. Yeah, but the 8,000 yen, that's like, I can go anytime, except for when they close on Tuesdays. That's their day off. I can go anytime. I can train for like 30 minutes if I want, or train for like 3 to 4 hours if I wanted to. Alright, I'm gonna eat some of these because I'm probably gonna need some carbs. Let's try this cream-kan. Tadakimaku! An abundance of cream, but mostly on this side. It reminds me a little bit of pandesal, but like less sweet, a bit more on the dry side. I prefer if this was made using like a Danish type of bread. 200 yen for this dorayaki, what the heck? Why is it so expensive? Is it really that expensive? Like, I don't... This like special? It has like a little mark in the middle. There's actually plenty of red bean in the middle. So thick in the middle. It's usually not that thick when I buy dorayaki. Not that I buy it often. I'm not Doraemon. I want to try this as well. It looks like a little brownie looking thing. Tadakimaku. Wow. So The outside is a chocolate-based bread, not quite like a brownie, and then right inside is just a full-on chestnut. It's actually a pretty good combo.
Almost there. Finally back home. I just remembered, good thing I remembered, I can finally toss away my aluminum cans, which have to be separate from the PET bottles. I don't quite have a lot of PET bottles yet, but I might as well toss them away, just so I don't have a lot of them hanging around. For some reason, the city doesn't want us crushing them. However, they do say crush the PET bottles. Also, you have to take off the packaging, and then plastic caps go in a different bag, which gets collected on a different day. Dang it, I messed up. Plastic containers and packaging, which I tend to accumulate a lot of, that gets collected on the first and third Tuesdays. Tomorrow is the second Tuesday of the month. That's when they collect bottles and cans. PET bottles will stay with me. Also, this is very confusing. Okay, time to quickly cook because it's almost, I think it's almost 10 p.m. It's nabe time again. I just remembered that I have a bunch of garlic that I haven't been using, so it started to grow. It's turning into nira basically. I wish I had like a little plot, and then I would just plant these and have unlimited garlic. So that's why I put some in there along with a bunch of nira, which is basically its cousin slash baby. Chopped up some ibaraki-ken, some sausages, some tofu, lots of protein. Alright, let's dump some of this ibaraki. These guys tend to soak up a lot of the soup. Let's soften up these babies. Hey, soro soro kana? Dun 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 dun. Alright, I'm gonna dump the tofu in and hopefully cools it down a little bit. I'm gonna try to eat all of this. Basically look like that. The nabe cabbage tastes good. It has more of a kimchi taste today. Maybe because I split the soup in half, maybe more of the kimchi taste was settling in the bottom. Let's taste this whole garlic. It's nice and soft. Ibaraki, man. Tastes a lot better today. The wieners that they make here in Japan are pretty good. They're just kind of expensive. This is gone. Time to clean up and chill. I forgot to eat the seaweed. Oh well, I'll eat it later. It's not like it's gonna go bad really quickly.